away from it is probably better for us. Like we.
I have only one tanked on the middle, and it ended up like failing.
Oh no,
Really
not all
bad.
the time in the middle. I mean, we could try. Well, the spawns are set in stone, right? It's the four corners.
Yeah, but then we have to kill all four, like, and kind of at the same
the
Ah.
problem
time.
is when you have on those sides. Kurwa. Never mind.
Looks like we're going.
I guess we keep him in that spot for now.
I know what you meant. So when there will be on those two sides,
I
I
got
just
it.
gonna move to the middle.
Yeah, instead of where you are now, you would move
I
to
just want
middle.
to say when I have on the two sides and the third one is on the rear, should I just move it to the another rear? But I tried it like also to the tactic to move it away at that moment, and
Like now, for example, you would just move it away. Yeah?
it didn't work always.
And I fucked my nuke up. I just got slapped in the ass. Yeah, you've got this one, yeah?
Mm-hmm. Metal.
I can take it.
I can take this next one.
Okay.
He's down.
The wave is on. Another debuff is on.
2.
Uh-huh.
Oh, we pushed weight again. We got this during ads. Kill the metal. Kill the metal.
Luckily I stunned it.
Okay.
Yes, you can take this one.
Yeah.
I like how we're progging this like a raid boss.
I mean, it kinda is.
I mean, yeah, it feels like a raid boss. That's true. Like, I like the difficulty of it. Not even joking. Like, I don't mind the wiping. This is good to get good at the game.
But it's tiring for some people.
But most of us are like experienced people and we are doing such a basic mistakes.
Yeah, but
Yeah, you
that's
want this
good
one?
training for... Yeah, sure. That's good training for the upcoming raid, though. Where everybody needs to be on their toes, you know?
I mean, it's good also to see how people, like, act with, like, several wipes and stuff.
Water.
The raid
First.
requirement,
Oh yeah.
yeah.
That fucker's got
Metal Sprite on the back. Oops. Don't cast Black Spirit Song hard. What the fuck? It's the casting Guerrero.
39%.
Okay, remember, like, if he, like, if the ad thingy comes, stop DPSing him and just, like, do the ads first.
Next, interrupt.
Yeah, 38 right now.
Wait.
Let's slow down
wait,
on
wait.
like 33.
Okay, he's not laying on the ground yet.
Now he is. Kill the ads
Metal?
and then push him a bit more, I guess, and then we just stop. Water. Let's stop at 33 and wait one more, I guess. Or should we push now?
No. Wait.
Yeah, we should
Right
wait
now,
now.
wait.
Here comes another one.
Yeah, let's wait one.
I took
Somebody?
it.
Nice.
But I
Okay, kill
can't
ads
use
and then we
it
can
first.
push. Fire?
Yep. I'll take the first interrupt then, Jess.
Okay.
I'll do second again, close to the end.
And the
So
third
get
one we
open.
don't do, and then the fourth one we do, right?
Yes.
Yep.
Okay,
Also
I hope
put down
it's
your
bigger
bard
then.
thingies. Put down your bard thingies as well.
Yeah.
On the third one.
Oh,
fuck.
then I put it down now.
Oh, it's fine.
Ah!
Wait.
Why are we taking this into
Okay,
the middle?
good. We're fine. We're fine.
I mean, yeah, but... First. I'm gonna wait a bit,
Second.
so
There
you
we
got
go.
time to heal. You got time to heal.
Oh, that's interrupted.
Wait, what happened to the second? What?
I don't know who said the second one.
Got it.
Interrupt.
Oh, it's fine though.
Water.
Kill ants. Fire. Ooh,
Taking down metal.
okay. Let's reposition. Does he redo that check thing one more time, or was that it?
He's done. Right now it will be 4 spirits.
So it just now adds normal rotation again. Okay.
You take the first one.
Mine's on cooldown.
Somebody? Okay. I can do
Take
the
down
one
Focus
after.
water, focus water.
Water is
No,
too
no,
far.
no, no,
for
no,
me.
no, 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 no.
Water's dead.
Fire is dead. Metal.
I fucked up because I wanted to stun, but I had like cooldown on the.
Okay, I can
Technical.
interrupt.
I can take this one. So who
Okay,
takes
you got
it?
it. You got it. You got it.
Okay.
Kiwi takes.
Nice.
Where's the
Water
water?
is
focus
close,
water
water is
next
close.
to everyone.
Water's down.
Water. Now earth.
I can take this one.
Nice.
So he's more tanky right now.
Yeah, but
There's
that's
still metal.
Yeah, we could.
No, everyone. Oh, sorry. Everyone is damage
Who
reduction.
takes next?
I take next.
Okay. Nice.
Where's the water?
The two annoying
Fire.
ones are fire. That's good. Kill fire.
Water's dead.
Nice. Just earth.
He's on the floor. Take down earth.
Kill ant first. Nice.
I think we did it.
Don't jinx it now.
Use everything. He cannot spawn another one. Oh shit. Oh, we're fine.
He won't.
Ah, finally.
Oh.
Nice.
Well, good job
And your
everyone.
static wipe